Ayan na.
Just started beating a little faster. Just seeing her take the ice. This has been so anticipated.
Come on, Yuna! You can do this!
Marap ka, tanga. Marap ka.
This is for Yuna, Kim!
And from there,
It's for Yuna!
Vicky Ando
Ayan na po, napapraning na po. Pagbigyan na po ang kapraning ng po ng taong to. Wala na po magawa sa buhay. Desperado na po siya.
Kamagulo dir, ayan si Yuna, Kim.
Desperado na po siya. Kaya nililibang niya po yung sarili niya.
Kim Yuna.
Kim Yuna! Hey, video my Kim Yuna!
Yeah.
Ryan Orser with a punch to dish. Sends her out on the ice.
You will be skating every move with her.
And you know there is a cultural sidebar to this rivalry with Kim Yuna and the Japanese skaters. With their long history, but still is and any defeat. That country is memorable
Ayan na po
for
ang
the Koreans.
kapraningan
In
niya.
South Korea, she sells everything from
Sa pong
cars, jewelry,
kapraningan.